Hi guys, if you're site engineers, I want to show you something. You can turn your voice notes plus photos into full site report. You don't need any prompting. You don't need typing. Let me show how it works. So this is AI Site Reporter. It is a custom GPT, already set up, nothing for me to configure. I open it the same way I would open any other GPT. And I start talking, not reading anything, a normal end-of-a-day update, the way I would actually say it out loud. Quick update from site. Today we had around 45 workers. Plastering is approximately 90% complete. Ceiling framing is ongoing and expected to finish this week. The revised MEP drawing is still pending. The subcontractor says it will be submitted tomorrow. Tiles were due yesterday, but the supplier is now saying next Thursday is most likely. The consultant requested a change to the lobby mock-up joint color. Sign off is still pending. Please prepare the site report using the attached photos. Then I grabbed the same photos I took while I was walking the site. I don't rename them, I don't sort them into folders, I just attach them. So the first thing AI does is to tell me what it's about to build. Then AI asks me two things. That's it, just two. It is not asking me about the numbers. It only wants me to know which project this is and which building or level the photos are from. So AI does not second guess the 45 workers or the 90%. Project Meridian Residences. Inspected area block A, level 5. All photos are from this area. Okay, this is everything AI puts together. Let's look at it. First up, a management update. Head count, how the plastering going, a MEP drawing, all in the words I actually used. Now here is the part I like the most. See that? It says not confirmed. Right there. AI is not assuming something is wrong just because I didn't say it was. Then there is an action list. Basically, who owes me what? MEP drawing, that's on the subcontractor. Tiles, that's on the supplier. And here, my photos dropped straight in, same order, with their own captions. Notice, AI is not telling me if the work is good or bad. It is just telling me what it can actually see. It even drafted a follow-up for the subcontractor already, asking them to confirm the date. Honestly, I could just send this. And when I want the full report, all I type is 4 words. A few seconds later, there is a file. And there it is, the same report properly formatted. Project, date, area, right at the top. Executive summary, what's done, what is in progress. And here, same 3 photos, same captions, right inside the document. This is what I would actually send to a client or keep it on file, not a screenshot of a chart. So that's the whole thing. One voice note, a few photos, and report is yours. It works perfectly well with the free ChatGPT version, but we recommend in case if you have lots of photos and you do it on the daily basis, it's better to use the paid plan. The links is below. But in case if you'd like to use your own templates, your own company systems, applications, CRM systems, it would be better to apply to us and we will make this tool to be installed within your system easily. The links is below too. Have a good day.